Hi, this is Chris from Easy Excel, making Excel work for you. Really quick video. This is just to show you how to hide the formula bar. Nice and simple. So I'll just give you an example. We've got a formula in these cells here, and obviously you can see the formula at the top there. So if you're designing a spreadsheet, you might not want everyone to see those formulas, or you might not want people, trying to edit them or whatever. And it also doesn't look very good, just loads of code up there. So here's how to hide it. Go to View and untick Formula Bar. And there we go. Now it's gone. So people will now just see those and they don't know what that formula is. If they double click into it, of course they can see it, but ideally as they tab through with their arrow key, they're not going to be able to see the ugly looking formula in the formula bar anymore. And then when you want it back to edit, do some work in there, tick it and it reappears. Okay, nice short and sweet one. Hopefully it's helped you answer a question that you had, and please like the video, please subscribe, keep supporting the channel, it means a lot. Thank you very much.